In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prompt Heygen. Start by opening your browser and searching for Heygen. Look for the official site in the results and open it. If multiple results appear, choose the one that clearly references the platform's AI video tools to make sure you're in the right place. Once you land on the homepage, click Sign In. This will take you into your workspace so you can access the creation tools. After signing in, head to the AI Studio. This is where you'll build scripts, choose avatars, and generate supporting visuals. On the left sidebar, find the Script section. This column is your hub for planning and drafting what the avatar will say. Click Script Writer to open the editor. Give yourself a moment here to get oriented. Clear structure at this stage saves time later. Begin by adding context. Tell the AI who you are and what role you want it to play. For example, you might write, "You are a fitness coach." That single line anchors the voice and expertise behind the script. Next, define your audience. Explain who you're talking to so the script can meet them where they are, like speaking to busy stay-at-home moms. With context and audience set, define the tone to guide delivery and word choice. For example, use an encouraging and energetic tone. These three elements, context, audience, and tone, shape everything the AI will produce. Now click on Avatar. If you're using Avatar 4, you can add motion prompts directly inside your script using brackets to trigger specific actions during delivery. For example, include nods slightly to signal agreement, or waves enthusiastically to create a warm intro. Keep these stage directions short and purposeful so they enhance, rather than distract from, your message. When your script feels solid, go back to the main menu and click Tools. Choose Generate B-roll to create background footage that complements your narration. If you're using the Sora or Veo models in AI Studio, be highly descriptive about lighting and camera angles to get cinematic results. A weak prompt might be, "A person drinking coffee." It's too vague. A strong prompt would be, "Cinematic close-up, macro shot of steam rising from a ceramic coffee mug, soft morning sunlight hitting the table, 4K, slow motion." Notice how the second version specifies composition, lighting, resolution, and motion. That level of detail helps the model match your vision. That's it. With a clear script, purposeful motion prompts, and richly described B-roll, your Heygen videos will look and sound polished from the start.